Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Matepad Paper, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, if we are in this kind of home section, we have to enter the settings, which are in the left lower corner. And now from this section, we have to pick the display and brightness. Let's tap on it. As you can see in the screen section, we've got the sleep option, so let's enter. And here we've got this pop-out window with 4 different options from which we can choose. So we can set either 1, 3, 10 or 30 minutes. Right now we've got the 3 minutes option applied. As you can see, this option is marked. What's more, it is notified right here. And basically all we have to do is to simply tap on the option we would like to use. So I will pick 10 minutes, so just tap on it. And actually it is immediately set. As you can see, it is notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Huawei Matepad Paper. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.